Hi, my name is Fariba Jashnian. I'm the Vice President of Quality and Regulatory Affairs for Bachem Americas. I have over 25 years of pharma experience and I've been with Bachem for 6 years. Bachem Americas Regulatory Affairs team provide a comprehensive service menu to our customers. Our regulatory team partners with our customers to pave a smooth regulatory pathway through all critical milestones and to achieve a successful outcome. We provide regulatory support to our customers as they journey from early development through submission and beyond. Some of the services we provide includes chemistry, manufacturing and control or CMC packages early in development cycle to support INDs and CTAs. We have extensive experience in authoring and submitting drug master files and DMF, ASMF and CEP since 1979 to support NDAs, new drug application and abbreviated new drug application, as well as marketing authorization. The RA team has broad regulatory experience in filing DMF, ASMF worldwide, for example, in Europe through different procedures, in United States, Canada, Japan, and many other countries. We have filed more than 50 DMF or ASMF in over 16 countries around the globe. We are proficient in drafting well-written dossiers grounded in science and aligned with requirements and regulators' current thinking. We balance the level of details in regulatory dossier to ensure successful health authority review while minimizing risk for frequent amendments. We assist our customer with questions received from health authorities. We also maintain regulatory documents such as drug master files, ASMF, throughout the product life cycle via amendments and annual reports. We provide many other services such as letter of authorization, certificate of pharmaceutical product, etc. We can provide advanced analytics through regulatory information management, data maintenance, and also have ECTD capability. In summary, customers will have access to a competent regulatory team with over 50 years of combined experience and proven track record of successful submissions.